tow operators. See the lights? Stove light. My light bar. My stove light in the rear. Do us all a favor in the industry. When you are on hook, turn the fucking lights off. You don't need them. Not necessary. Really ain't. Unless you have something on your truck that's a little bit wider than your bed, a little bit taller, turn them the fuck off. You don't need them. Because you leave them on full fucking time while you drive, people see them all the time. What happens? Oh, fuck it, they're on all the time. We ain't gotta move over for them. That's why we keep getting hit. That's why more and more of our brothers and sisters are getting killed. Turn the fucking lights off, drivers. It's not that hard. That's my message. Later.